Lucy, how do you make a perfect cup of tea?
Oh, let me tell you. First, boil the water.
Boil the water. Got it.
Then, put the tea bag in the cup.
Tea bag in the cup.
Next, pour the hot water into the cup.
Pour the water. What's next?
Wait for 3 minutes. Then, remove the tea bag. Finally, add milk if you like.
Perfect instructions. You know what?
What?
This is today's topic.
Giving clear instructions.
Everyone needs to know how to do this.
Let's start.
So, Lucy, how do you give clear instructions in English?
Great question. We use imperative form.
Imperative form? What's that?
It's when you give a command or instruction, you don't need to say you.
Can you give me examples?
Sure, open the door, close the window, turn left, go straight.
Open, close, turn, go, no you, needed.
Exactly. The verb comes first.
That's simple. What else?
We use sequence words to make instructions clear.
Sequence words.
Yes, first, then, next, after that, finally.
Ah, like making tea.
Exactly. First, boil water. Then, add tea. Next, pour water. Finally, add milk.
First, then, next, finally. So clear.
These words show the order, step by step.
Can you give me another example?
Sure. How do you make a sandwich?
Let me try. First, take 2 slices of bread.
Good start.
Then add butter to the bread.
Perfect.
Next, add cheese and tomato.
Excellent.
Finally, put the second slice on top.
Brilliant. Your instructions are so clear.
The sequence words really help.
They do. My student Ibrahim uses them all the time.
Tell me about Ibrahim.
Ibrahim is from Turkey. He loves cooking traditional Turkish food.
That sounds delicious.
Yes! His English-speaking friends always asked for his recipes.
Did he struggle to explain?
At first, yes. He didn't know how to give instructions in English.
What did you teach him?
I taught him sequence words and imperative verbs.
Does he use them now?
All the time. Now he says, first, cut the vegetables, then heat the oil, next, add the onions, after that, add the meat, finally, cook for 20 minutes.
So clear and easy to follow.
His friends can follow his recipes perfectly now.
That's wonderful. Now let's talk about giving directions.
Yes, this is so useful.
How do I give directions in English?
You use direction words, left, right, straight, past.
Left, right, straight, past. Show me how.
Okay, imagine someone asks, how do I get to the station?
How would you answer?
I would say, go straight down this road.
Go straight.
Turn left at the traffic lights.
Turn left at the traffic lights.
Walk past the bank.
Walk past the bank.
The station is on your right.
Perfect directions.
See, go, turn, walk. All imperative verbs.
And you used sequence too. First go, then turn, then walk.
Exactly. Let me ask you a question.
Okay,
How do I get to the post office from here?
let me give you directions. Go straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Turn right at the corner.
Right at the corner.
Walk past the cafe.
Past the cafe.
Cross the street.
Cross the street.
The post office is next to the bookshop.
Excellent directions, Tom.
Thank you. It's actually quite easy.
My student May gives directions all the time at work.
Tell me about May.
May works in a busy office building.
I see.
Visitors often asked her for directions in English.
Was she confident?
Not at first. She felt nervous because she didn't know the right words.
What did you teach her?
I taught her direction vocabulary and phrases.
Like what?
Go straight down this corridor. Turn left at the end. Walk past the lift. The meeting room is on your right.
Very clear.
Now she says these phrases confidently. Everyone finds the places easily.
Her boss must be impressed.
Very impressed. Now, let's talk about polite instructions.
Polite instructions.
Yes, sometimes we need to be polite when giving instructions.
How do we do that?
We add please.
Please.
Yes, please close the door. Please turn off the light.
That's polite.
We can also use could you or can you.
Show me.
Could you close the door? Can you help me?
Much more polite.
And we can say, would you mind?
Would you mind closing the door?
Perfect. Very polite.
When should we use polite forms?
With strangers, at work, with older people, or anyone you want to show respect.
And commands without please?
Those are fine with friends, family, or in emergencies.
That makes sense.
Let's practice giving instructions for technology.
Oh, good idea. Everyone needs this.
How do you send an email?
Let me give instructions. First, open your email program.
Open the program.
Then, click New Message.
Click New Message.
Next, type the email address.
Type the address.
After that, write your message.
Write the message.
Finally, click Send.
Perfect instructions.
Don't forget to check your spelling before you send.
Don't forget is also good for instructions.
Yes. Don't forget to save your work.
Remember to turn off your computer.
Make sure you close all windows.
These phrases are really helpful.
My friend Alexander uses these all the time.
Tell me about Alexander.
Alexander wanted to teach his grandmother to use a smartphone.
That's lovely.
She speaks English but needed very clear, simple instructions.
Of course.
Alexander practiced with me first.
Good idea.
He learned to say, first, press the button here. Then, swipe up like this. Next, tap the green icon. Wait for it to open. Finally, you can type your message.
Such patient, clear instructions.
His grandmother learned to use the phone.
Because his instructions were so clear.
Exactly. Clear instructions help everyone.
Whether you're cooking, giving directions, or teaching technology.
The key is to be clear and step by step.
Use sequence words.
First, then, next, finally.
Use imperative verbs.
Open, close, turn, click.
And be polite when necessary.
Please, can you?
Let me give you a challenge.
Okay.
Give me instructions for making coffee.
All right. First, boil water in the kettle.
Good.
Then, put coffee in the cup.
Continue.
Next, pour the hot water into the cup.
Perfect.
After that, add milk and sugar if you like.
Excellent.
Finally, stir and enjoy.
Brilliant instructions, Tom.
Thank you. Now you try. Give me instructions for making toast.
Okay. First, take 2 slices of bread.
Good start.
Then, put them in the toaster.
In the toaster.
Next, push the button down.
Push the button.
Wait for 2 minutes.
Waiting.
When the toast pops up, take it out carefully.
Carefully.
Finally, add butter or jam.
Delicious. Perfect instructions.
We can all give clear instructions now.
It's such an important skill.
You use it every single day.
At home, at work, everywhere. Let's review some important phrases.
Great idea.
First, boil the water.
First, boil the water.
Then, add the coffee.
Then, add the coffee.
Next, pour the water.
Next, pour the water.
Finally, enjoy your coffee.
Finally, enjoy your coffee.
Turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner.
Go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead.
Walk past the bank.
Walk past the bank.
It's on your right.
It's on your right.
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
Could you help me?
Could you help me?
Click here first.
Click here first.
Don't forget to save.
Don't forget to save.
Make sure you follow the steps.
Make sure you follow the steps. Great job today.
Now you can give clear instructions.
Help people find places.
Teach people how to do things.
Clear instructions make life easier.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Follow our instructions and keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Pronounce faster.